For a specific rare animal. So, we need to know what he is looking for.
Keep your eyes and ears open. We need to get some intel on the situation at hand.
According to my research, this animal is usually found hiding deep in the jungle. There have been lots of stories about this creature, and lots of drawings like this one, but no one has ever captured this animal on camera. Oh, but we're
thing left to do. We're gonna have to sneak into their camp and find out what's in that book. But how do we do that without being seen?
The status now is enough. The time has come to say goodnight. As you listen to my ballad lullaby, oh yeah, you'll fall asleep to my lullaby, my ballad lullaby.
Let's try it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, guys. Okay, time to get that book. Whoa! Oh, quick, get out! We're scaring the movie humans. They'll never put us in their movie if we terrify them.
I'm not even allowed to make a foot list off.
Here in the wild with a... Oh, my shot. Hey, get both of these shots.
So annoying. No one may touch the royalty.
But, oh, it's getting away.
Movie director thinks King Julian's tail is a special snake and wants it to be the star of his movie?
Well,
Let me get this straight. You now want us to do you another favor and perform in a show?
I don't know about this. Putting on a show is gonna mess up my entire vacation schedule.
And I'm not sure if I have the energy for another performance.
Come on, guys. I know that I'm usually the showman around here, but have courage and believe in yourselves. Our friendship is something special. And wouldn't it be great for the world to see that? Well, when you put it like that, I'm in.
And me. Ooh, you know what? I think I do have that energy after all.
I guess that leaves just me. Well, yep, you got it. I'm in.
My amazingly good-looking tail. Is that what you're saying? Is it, Mr. Alex? Is it?
I guess.
The snake. And the award for greatest actor goes to me.
Hey guys, have you seen the striped furry snake?
Say
Where is it?
Point to my amazingly handsome tail.
I don't get it. Is it this way? Are you sure? But then, is it this way? Oh, there it is! Thanks, guys. Max Jones to film crew. How's the setup going? Do you copy? Over.
Sound copy. Over.
Sound copy. Over.
I have located the striped furry snake. Get back and hit him. We don't want to scare it away again. Over.
Who's the king that makes you go? Now stop your move. Who's the one that boom, boom, party, party, rain and shine? Who's the king that keeps it fly? Up to the ground, fun flawless on your ground. King that lives it up, makes it shake and move it up. It's the one that makes it crazy, nice and party.
Whoa! A lion and a river playing together! This is amazing! We have a very special movie of some very special animals. Thanks, adventurers. You guys are the best.
it's been an absolute pleasure. Once more, David.
That was a lot of dancing.
आपने पूरा देखा? पूरा देखा है? आपने पूरा देखा?
I know you will. I will miss you.
आपने पूरा देखा?
هذه الأمر تراثية أموالية قديمة اسمها لعبة الحاوي. Yung kasi na kaya kasalanan.
Oh my god, smoke bubbles.
Jadi aku दूसरे क्लास में घर में देख सकता हूँ